I'm going to show you how to size and cut your chain to size. So we lay out the old chain here against the new chain. As we can see, the new chain is considerably longer. It comes with this joining link. So what we'll do is, that joining link here is the equivalent of that extra long link here. So what we want, when we have a joining link like this, we need two thin pieces. Okay, the chain comes in a thin piece here, and over here a thin piece here. So we need to mirror that when we cut the chain to size. So we need to tap out this link here, okay, and I've marked with a black Sharpie, so you can see that. Okay, get our chain tool, knock out this link and make a thin piece. Okay, so we'll apply some torque here. Pops out, look, see? The pin is coming out. 1 second. Chain cutting tool, so look, it's good. There, it's popped out. Now we'll loosen this back up here. Take this out. And there we go. Cut the link. So pop on the chain and attach the connector here. Okay. In my hand is the connector pin, which will connect there. We can make the chain tighter even by moving those back, the axle back. It's set quite forward, and as you can see up there, the brake is in danger of rubbing off the tyre, so I have to move it back. That'll tighten it up nicely. There's the joint link on the chain, so let's test this bad boy out. Looking good. Yeah, that's probably something else that's wrong with the bike, but it's got a pretty tough life, and it wasn't that expensive, but chain is acceptable, and it's new.